The $0 level for SPLUSD specifically is really solid in a really big way. SPLUSD has met resistance level R1 at 0.00096090 or so, and they thought bears control spells very current price movements, which in a real sense sort of is very important. In this video, we'll walk you through a typical token cost examination for now or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer the most common questions about what a typical token cost examination is for. SPEL token in every way that really matters is SPEL is a kind of smart investment that is usually very big. SPEL is a kind of token help and obstruction levels and so on, which is really big, but before diving too deeply into the SPEL, we talked about the current economy to show that. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, taking the total digital currency market to $1, 122, 121, 212, 348.88, which is a very important number. In a way that really counts, the total amount of money traded is $22,757,277,610. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that fundamentally SPEL genuinely token help in opposition levels since so on or so they basically thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level. After a decay of 0.42 in a kind of in every way that really matters significant way, various elective cryptographic forms of money as ETHR. EUM truly has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner, while distributing this block BNB exchanged at 308.52 following a value change of 0.48 within a similar time span, or so they generally thought. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, in a real sense is somewhere near 1.1 and as of now exchanging at 46 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in Esteem, which certainly especially shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that certainly SPEL a specialty token help and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a, for the most part, significant manner. These occasions especially show that the market truly is going in a kind of extremely descending heading for essentially exceptionally transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now a pretty really broad extremely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. SPEL certainly genuinely token help and obstruction backing an opposition essentially, or significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they fundamentally generally thought. Support fundamentally certainly is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of additional in every practical sense, sort of dynamic, and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the SPEL specialized examination basically let us for the most part discuss the kind of current economic situations, showing that yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, especially let us really discuss the especially current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants for the most part become moved pretty certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unpretentious manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of truly SPEL commonly token execution. The cost of certainly SPEL in every practical sense token for the most part is at $0, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours and has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 US dollars, while really all-out market cap came to 89,992,626 USD. So certainly spell, all things considered, fundamentally token help and opposition levels and so on in an extremely huge manner. There most certainly are practically 103,446,920,678 basically explicitly are available for use out of 103,240,939,480 in an unpretentious manner. Spell in every practical sense token value examination in a real sense magic cost examine for the 31st of May 2023 in a really daily time span. All things considered made sense of Bella 1. And in every practical sense significant way we use sort of extremely relative strength index moving truly in normal union indifference backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense straightforward moving fundamentally normal and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, to generally break down the examine for the 31st of May 2023 in a daily period below in a really significant way. While spells Williams percent our marker most certainly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition and exchange extremely kind of sign explicitly is certainly possible at this rate. So thereby and large are almost 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939 explicitly are available for use. Bears are really in charge right now, and it's easy to see why. The crypto market has seen a big drop, which is really bad according to the price analysis. May actually find support at these significant levels of $0. Moving below these levels could usually bring the price to $0, so SPL/USD is defied by the resistance level of R1 at 0.00096090 in a quiet way. On the other side, the resistance levels are usually at $0. A kind of big way. A bullish rise from the levels above may usually bring the price down to $0, showing how Spellcoin's token value has changed. The relative strength file for Spellcoin is currently at 18 for 14 days, which means that in every practical sense, Spellcoin's value hasn't changed. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about